Good morning, dear students. Today you are going to learn on important remedy, but for skin symptoms, relatively smaller one. The remedy is Hydrocotyl asiatica. Hydrocotyl asiatica, its common name is Indian pennywort, belongs to the family Umbelliferae, and the brewer is Boileau. Action is mainly upon the skin and upon the female generative organs. Coming to the skin symptoms, the skin symptoms are characterized with interstitial inflammation, cellular proliferation, thickening of epidermoid layer, and exfoliation of scales. Hypertrophy and induration of connective tissue is characteristic. This hydrocortilis is indicated for leprosy, lupus, where there is no ulceration. Also for various skin conditions like acne, eczema, pemphigus, lupus, leprosy, copper colored eruptions, papilla eruptions, scrotal tumors, elephantiasis, etc. Also for psoriasis, Gare type, mainly seen in the trunk and extremities, palm and soles. For pustules on chest, for circular spots with scaly edges, syphilitic affections, and these skin symptoms are associated with intense itching and profuse sweating. So study well the skin symptoms of hydrocortical, usually asked for exam. So it is indicated for various skin conditions ranging from simple acne to psoriasis to cancerous affections of skin. But you have to remember the characteristics of hydrocortical, which are there is interstitial inflammation, cellular proliferation, thickening of epidermoid layer, exfoliation of scales. It is indicated for various conditions like acne, eczema, pemphigus, lupus, leprosy, copper colored eruptions, especially of syphilitic, papillary eruptions, scrotal tumors, elephantiasis, psoriasis, pustules, syphilitic affections, etc., with intolerable itching and profuse sweating. And for the lupus or leprosy, there is no ulceration. So these are the important points. Remember the key points: interstitial inflammation, cellular proliferation, thickening of epidermal layer, exfoliation. Exfoliation of skin is very much marked. Skin exfoliates in large scaly forms, in large amount of scales. So next, female symptoms. In female symptoms, it is indicated for fungus growth and ulcerations of uterus, for leukorrhea, for dull pain over ovarian region. These symptoms are associated with pruritus, heat of vagina, and also there is copious perspiration. Intense itching is there, heat sensation is there, and there is much sweating. So it is indicated for female having leukorrhea, for CA cervix, then ulceration of uterus, etc., with pain in ovarian region. There is intense perspiration, pruritus, and heat sensation. So patient cannot stand upright. Difficulty in maintaining the upright posture. So these are the important symptoms. So remember the two affections mainly upon the skin and female generative system, and that is upon the skin. It is indicated for various conditions ranging from acne to CA conditions, and the characteristic being there is interstitial inflammation, cellular proliferation, thickening of the epidermal layer, exfoliation in much scales, and also there is hypertrophy, induration. In leprosy, lupus, there is no ulcers. Then various skin conditions like acne, eczema, pemphigus, lupus, leprosy, syphilitic affection, papules, scrotal tumors, elephantiasis, psoriasis, pustules, etc., without ulcers but with severe itching and profuse sweating. While in case of female symptoms, It is indicated for leukorrhea, ulcers of womb, CA condition, etc. with much leukorrhea, pain, sweating, heat sensation. So the remedy to compare. First upon hydrastis. Hydrastis is also an important remedy for cancer. And the skin is hard, mottled, puckered appearance, and discharge, the characteristic discharge being profuse, thick, yellow, stringy. Stringy discharges you are learned in Kali, crocus, etc. Hydrastis also remedy for cancer with stringy discharges. The nasal skin usually dry, scaly, blue appearance, cold, wrinkled with cold clammy perspiration. And remember, it is a remedy having burning sensation which is simulated by warmth. Whereas in case of Kali as the same symptoms but the burning is aggravated by warmth. In Arsab, abrasion by burning is simulated by warmth, whereas opposites in case of Kali as. Then sepia. Sepia also, there is intense itching of skin in various parts and mainly indicated for herpes circinatus, especially upon the upper parts of the body and usually seen in the single spots. Next, art-sided. Art-sided also, it is an important remedy for dry skin with much scaly itching, and there is marked exfoliation of skin in large scales, leaving a raw exuding surface underneath. So, like hydrocotyl acid also, there is much exfoliation of skin. Thyroidinum, again there is exfoliation. It is a remedy for ichthyosis, skin dry, eczema, itching without eruption. Graphitis, dryness of skin with crippled nails, unhealthy skin, every injury suppurates, remedy for raggots, cracks, fissures, especially upon the end of finger, and the peculiar nature of discharge being watery, transparent, sticky, and fluid. Petroleum. In petroleum, the skin symptoms are worsened in winter season. Skin is rough, cracked. It is remedy for herpes, much itching, much redness, bleeding, dry or moist, but the skin is painful. So in hydrocotyl, study the skin symptoms. The important characteristics of hydrocotyl is interstitial inflammation, cellular proliferation, thickening of epidermal layer, exfoliation. There is hypertrophy, induration. There is much perspiration. So study well the skin symptoms and female symptoms. Thank you.